Anyway, is it true that Atwoli can't whisper? At whispering in whispering in. I have never whispered in my life. Jeff, let me tell you something. Mwanaume ni sauti. Anyway, can I try to whisper? Jeff Koinage. No. Stop it. You can't just whisper. Atwoli. Anyway, next question. Mr. Franco, you were so old. When are you quitting Koto? When are you quitting? Jeff, kwanza hii ukali yako imeisha. Leta ukali ingine. Monica, leta ukali ingine. Leta isahani ndio hiyo. Ati you are calling me muse unaniita that I'm very old. Jeff, am I your grandfather? And I told you, no. Hakuna ukali ingine. Let's go to the next question.